Please format the SD card.
And as you can see, we've got the blue indicator light over there. This means that the camera is on right now. When it's flashing, it means it's recording. So at this point it asks us to format the SD card. For this we'll have to install the Jarvis Cam app. It's available on the Play Store. Now you can press add camera right here. Next, connect Wi-Fi. These are our Wi-Fi settings, and this is the camera we're looking for, GKU D600. The password is 12345678. Connect. Now we can go back into the app. And again we can see that it asks us to format the SD card, which I'll do right now. I will go to access camera and I will go to settings, and right away I will go and format the SD card from here.
Formatting is completed.
The dashcam just told us that the format was successful. I will go back and quickly show you guys the application. Well, first of all, as you can see, it shows us the front view right now, and it shows us the rear view as well. And this is how it looks: 140 degrees rear view and 170 degrees front view. From the app you can pause and start recording. You can take a picture. Picture success. Cool. And we can see there is a picture right there. Also from here we can turn on and off the sound recording. We can go to album, and this will show us all currently recorded videos. And as I said before, you can download them to your phone if you want by using this button.